Some roads don't change suddenly, they change you slowly. Bike warmed up, the gloves are on.
Hi.
Hi. And the introduction also. It was a steady ride. The morning was so cold we had to stop at some point for warming up. And once the break is done, get back to riding. Now straight to demanding. This was a surprise for us. Foggy morning at 10 a.m. and we had to take it slow. We didn't expect this session to be this different. When you're riding in a group, things change. You're not just riding the road anymore. You are reading it. Your pace isn't just yours anymore. After a crazy climb, we got lost as there was no network to show us direction towards the stay, and team to the rescue. We came through Yercaud Lake, which was beautiful, but there was no place to park. We reached the stay by lunchtime. It was a great vibe, good cozy place. It was a bungalow.
അതല്ല മേടിക്കാൻ പറ്റി 15 ആയുള്ളൂ. ഞാൻ ശരിക്കും ഇൻസ്റ്റാ 360 നോക്കുന്നുണ്ട്, പ്രൈസ് കുറയുന്നില്ല.
അത് 2-3 ദിവസം കൂടി ദിവാലിക്ക് സെയിലുള്ളപ്പോൾ അല്ലെങ്കിൽ പറയത്തില്ലായിരുന്നു.
Time for a new ride, KTM ADV 390. Some roads need
പ്രശ്നം തണുപ്പ്, വേറൊന്നുമല്ല.
not speed, just
ശീലമില്ലാത്ത വണ്ടിക്ക് തണുപ്പ്.
the road makes that choice obvious.
ഇതെന്നെ ഒത്തിരി സൂക്ഷിച്ചാൽ ഓടിക്കും.
Long and winding road, but the effort was worth it.
I have to
Beautiful.
get down with my fingers first. Then only it will reduce the jerk.
This section changed how I rode. It stopped being about the flow. Every decision started to matter. Good roads demand attention because that is most important in these roads. Exits don't always give you time to think. Look at him drive. Some rides don't give you a finish line. This is one of them.